Turn right toward Hello. Then turn right.
We're going to a surprise place, not a surprise.
Ano yun?
It's just a restaurant. A restaurant is not a surprise.
What did you do today? Ang kapal naman ng ano ni Ella.
Playground.
Ay, hindi, manipis lang yan pala na. You go to the playground?
Yes.
Okay.
We're going to a
Buti pa
surprise
kayo,
place,
papasyal-pasyal na lang. Ako pa work-work.
Daddy, why are you taking us into a restaurant? It's not a surprise.
It's not a surprise. Okay, where are you going na, Kaden?
What?
Where are you going?
I was to a restaurant.
Restaurant. Are you gonna treat us?
What?
Are you
What?
going to treat us?
What does sweet mean?
Libre! You're the one who's gonna pay for the food that we're going to eat.
Maybe yes.
Wow, you have money?
North for 1
No.
Because you said you're gonna pay for it. You said maybe yes. Wow, you're so confident, anak.
I don't have any money.
So why did you say maybe yes?
Because I just know you like paying. Maybe because I will try to get nice money and pay money and or going to pay.
Huh?
I will use
In
money to
500
pay.
meters, turn left
What
onto
money
Main
are
Road.
you going to use?
That is money.
Ask daddy if daddy has some money also.
Daddy, do you have the money?
I have coins.
Maybe let's try coins. Mommy, let's try coins.
Yeah,
At the
okay.
light, turn left onto
Guys,
Main Road.
pupunta tayo ngayon sa east. Tatry namin yung ramen
On Ring
doon.
Road for 9 kilometers.
Tsaka kakatapos ko lang mag-work. So, ayan, magdi-dinner na kami. Wow, dinner! Tatry natin. Sana papasukin sila. Feeling ko, no?
Yung restaurant naman yan, maaga pa, 5 o'clock.
Oo, mga 8 naman siguro.
8 o'clock or 8:30.
Oo, mga ganun nga. So, samahan nyo kami ulit sa kainan. Ngayon lang to dahil
Mommy, why are you taking the
birth month ni Daryl. Char! Pag birth month ni Daryl, gano'n.
Bukas ulit.
Ay, libre mo kami. Okay, sige guys, mamaya na lang ulit. Dito na tayo sa Tipsy. Pwede kayong bata kasi Tipsy ang pangalan. Tipsy Samurai. I-ask mo mga muna, Sir Daryl. May drive-thru pa sila, oh. Mukhang pwede naman. Tanong mo muna ha, kuya.
Kasi kung grilled siya, pwede.
Oo. Tanong mo muna, for sure, para hindi na kami bababa. Kung ayaw nila, edi okay lang. Sa iba na lang tayo. May Popeyes din pala dun. Tapos save on foods dito. Ang dami rin. Oy, McDonald's. Oh, dyan na lang tayo. Mas mura pa.
Just Happy Meal.
Tapos may DQ or DQ.
It's my neighbor.
What?
It's a neighbor.
It's neighbor. Okay.
Yes, because a neighbor is what if someone's
Tanungin muna ni
to
Daryl.
your house like this.
Yes, I know, anak.
A sample of this and that.
Mm-mm.
It's near. It's always everywhere.
Yes, that's right.
When two buildings or doors or restaurants are together and the neighbors.
Mm-mm. You're correct.
Yay!
You gonna eat there?
Yes. So why is it not? Why is this a surprise?
Mm-mm.
Why?
This is the surprise. You know,
It's a restaurant.
yeah, I'll surprise you, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay daw. Yan guys, naka-chinelas tayo. Are you today, Kaden?
A restaurant.
restaurant. Ito yung ano. Taray, naghanap na si Daryl. Ikaw magbabayad, no?
I can use this.
Yes, you can use that. Okay, magraramen ako. So, ang ganda guys. Yan. It's a video, anak. So, yan yung design. Ganda ng ano nila.
Ganda nga ng pagkakadekal.
Oo nga eh. Galing, no? Ayokong ano kasi baka sabihin nila binibideo ko sila. Ano masasabi mo dahil na 40 years old ka na?
Ang ilaw after 5 years, malalaman yung 40 years. 5 years pa.
Wow.
Balikan niyo ako after 5 years.
Wow, ang kamal na mukha. Tingin.
5 years.
Mamatay? Mamatay?
5 years.
Joke lang guys, hindi siya 40. Hulaan nyo na lang kung ilang taon siya. Siyempre, hindi siya 40. Hindi mas lalo na ako, ma.
Maiklo na, 5 years.
Mas matanda sa akin si Daryl ng 10 years.
Ako, nang bola pa.
So, 20 lang ako guys. 30 si Daryl. Ayaw pa. Ayan na guys, yung ano, order namin. Tapos, meron pa yung ramen. O, paano? Wow! Wow! Nag-practice na si Daryl.
Tutusukin ko na lang yun.
Mapapasubo tayo sa chopstick. So guys, dumating na. What's your order, anak? Noodles, Ella?
What is this for?
Ang sarap, ang bango.
What is this for?
I don't know also, anak. So, ito yung order ko, guys.
For me.
Yeah. Titikman natin. Iaano natin, review natin. Food review na tayo. Lumipat na tayo sa ganun. Wow, si Kaden, are you having fun?
Yeah. Pizza.
So, yan. Titikman natin lahat to. Wow, nag-e-enjoy. Wala kasi sila nagtatanong si Daryl ng kutsara at saka ano. It's yummy?
This is the first time we've been here.
So, it's yummy. The soup is yummy.
Yes.
Food vlogger na si Kaden. What can you say with the noodles?
I know you're so yummy.
Wow, a
Use your
golden
fork.
spoon. Use your tinidor. Use your fork.
What? Why?
So you can get the noodles.
Yes. Okay.
Wow! Yummy, Ella?
I like this.
Sarap. Having fun?
Yes.
Having fun, Ella? Thumbs up na lang. Yes? Would you recommend this restaurant?
I star.
Wow, a 5-star food vlogger. Palaban pa rin si Kaden, guys. Tingnan nyo. Si Daryl, ubos na. Simot na simot, Daryl, ah. Si Ella doon.
Ate naman kami ni Ella.
Ella! Hip-hop naman si Ella. Tingnan nyo yung outfit. Ay, naku. Diba talaga pag tatay ang naiiwan?
Wala nang titik
Hip-hop?
ngayon, mga bataan ngayon, puro blue.
Ako naman ito. Yung add-ons nila na yan, $1, guys. So, ano masasabi mo? Sarap dito? Sarap dito?
Tingnan natin yung presyo naman.
Kung magkano? Food vlogger na po kami.
Dito na rin yung night hour ko, lapit.
Dito lahat to ng establishment. Tapos doon, rentahan. Yung naghahanap ng rentahan, pwede kayo doon mag-inquire. Magkano? Magkano lahat?
88.8.
Akin na. Oh. ka na.
Tomato.
Sinusulit ni Kaden, oh.
We can get it with a fork.
Nag-enjoy ka ba? You want to come here again?
Yes.
You want to eat here again?
Yes.
If you have money.
Ano yung nandito yung parang may rice?
No, we have lots of money.
Oh, where?
We are getting money when somebody likes to want them to fight.
Huwag po kayo maniwala kay Kaden, ha? Hindi po siya hindi po kumikita ng milyones yung YouTube. Kala niya lang yun. So, are you a food vlogger now? Okay.
I just know.
Ayan guys,
I know,
pauwi na
I know.
tayo. Oh, you said bye ka-dreamers?
I don't want to. I don't want to go home now.
Why?
Because I don't like going home. I don't want to now.
You want to stay here na? You want to live here?
What?
You want to live here? In this area? May dalarama pa pala dun, no? Tas shoppers. Lalakad ka lang, no?
No.
Kung dyan ka na sa McDo magtrabaho, Daryl.
Yes, that's a great idea.
That's a great idea daw,
Yes.
Daryl, sabi ng anak mo.
Go to McDonald's.
Kala mo kay Dan, ha? What's a good idea?
To go to McDonald's.
Ay, you said you're full na.
But
How about you, Ella? Did you enjoy?
I'm not full.
Oh, you're
I'm
not full yet?
Yes.
Oh, may Boston Pizza pa pala dun, no?
No, McDonald's.
So, ayan, guys.
McDonald's. No, no.
Naka magkano tayo? 88, no?
Not this way. No.
88 plus tip. So, sabihin na natin mga 100.
No, not here. Not here. Not that way. No.
Mga naka 100 kami, guys.
I'm not full.
Medyo pricey siya. 'Di ba? Kasi parang ang
No, no, no.
order sa per food is yung katulad namin, madami namang servings, mga 20. 18 ka mo o plus tax.
I don't want to go.
Wait lang kayo then, keep quiet. So guys, yung mga mag-rent dito, meron sila dito sa Apex at Acre 21.
Don't want to go home.
Try nyong i-search yung Devereaux. Devereaux yata yung pronunciation nun. Doon. Yun yung nagpaparent. So, super lapit na yon. Kaya may nag-comment na naghahanap daw siya ng matitirhan dito sa Regina. So, yun. Tapos, doon na yung school. Doon sa side na yun. So, yan. Super lapit lang. Pero yung price din, guys, is mga 1,600 or something. Mga ganon. Ayun, no? School na yun. Anong school yan?
Yung pinapasok ko
I
nila.
don't want to go home.
Doon ang French?
Oo. Malapit ka sa kanila.
Ah. Yeah. Tapos ito, mga naglalakad
I don't
sila.
want to go home.
So, magandang upahan dito. Mga bago pa, guys. Okay, then you stay here na lang.
No, I want to go.
You stay here na lang kina Tito Miguel.
No.
Oh, they live nearby here. Ate Zoe as well.
No, McDonald's.
It's close na.
But it's not. I don't want to go home.
Anak, we don't have money.
Somewhere else.
You don't want to go home yet?
We want to go somewhere else.
Oh my God. Sa bagay, 6:27, may araw pa, oh.
Daddy, don't go home. We're going somewhere else. Then we go home. Please.
Yan, oh, Devereaux.
Let's go somewhere else. Let's go somewhere else.
Okay, let's go to
Somewhere
Ring Road.
else.
No, somewhere else.
May lakas ka na naman, ha?
Somewhere else.
Somewhere else.
Somewhere else, Daddy.
Samuel else. Sino si Samuel, anak?
I don't know. I can say it properly.
What?
I can say it.
You can say it properly?
Yes, it's so hard.
Oh, Jesus.
We have to go somewhere else.
Oh, good job. You said it properly.
Daddy, I want to go somewhere else.
Yeah.
Somewhere else. Somewhere else.
Please, I want to go somewhere.
Oh, good job. You know na, ha?
Mommy, Daddy, drive and go somewhere else. Please, Daddy, okay?
Yeah.
Thank you. Now we won't go home.
Gloomy pa rin yung weather. But still fine, di ba?
Kaysa mag-snow.
Oo naman. So, 100 days lang po ang summer. Kaya, sulitin.
Mommy, we have a lot of money.
Oh, no!
We do.
Where did you get that, anak?
When someone subscribed to our channel, we got money.
But no one is subscribing and no one is liking our channel.
No, they do.
No one is watching as well. So, can you ask them to watch?
But I know. But I read it.
You already did?
No, I just asked them just subscribe too.
Oh, you tell them again, please. Hi, guys. Come on.
Hi guys.
What will you say?
Please like and subscribe. Please watch and subscribe to our channel.
You say thank you.
Thank you. Let's continue the video.
Okay, how about Ella? Ella, you ask them.
Huwag kang tumingin sa akin, El. Walang sa akin ang sagot.
Mahiyain si Ella.
Naghahanap pati sa kuya niya, titingin kung anong isasagot.
Baka may kodigo daw.
Ganda ng rapor na pala.
RAV4 ba yan?
Ah,
Bili ka na.
magkano yung sa amin? 35 yung base.
Oo. Bili ka na.
Nanalo ako sa
Tingin
loto.
pera. Uy, nagtaya ka ba?
Ano na? Hindi ko pa na-check.
Ay, naku. Lagi na lang. Mamaya panalo na pala. Inaantok na ako.
Ako may matutulog na.
Sa kabusugan. Ay, nako. Wala na naman to. Sa bagay, last day ko bukas. Off ko ng Friday and Saturday.
Yay!
Pero papasok ako ng Sunday.
Yes, it's
Mas masaya sana kung hindi eh, no?
So yung long weekend.
Musjo daw, sabi nila Ate Sherry.
Friday? Paras ba sila?
Wala silang pasok.
Hindi, anong oras sila pupunta?
Eh, tanong.
Para malaman kung makakapasok pa ako o kung gusto nyo sumama.
Eh, ibababa ka na lang namin. Maaga na lang uuwi.
Oh, yun nga. Anong oras sila doon? Para...
Eh, 5:30 ka naman papasok ng Friday kung in case man sasama tayo sa Musjo.
or 5 o'clock.
Oo, mga ganun.
Malaki-laki yung oras. Stand yun eh.
Ay, oo nga.
Sa lahati yun eh.
Ikaw na. Kailangan masarado ko nang dapat isarado bukas. Ma-finish ko na lahat, ma-complete.
In 500 meters, use the right lane to take the ramp to Saskatchewan 11 North, Saskatoon.
Uy, Saskatoon, Kaden! Are we going to Saskatoon again?
No.
Why?
You want to go now?
Use the
No.
right lane to take the ramp to Saskatchewan 11 North, then merge onto Ring.
Balikan.
Balikan. Kamayang gabi na tayo uwi.
Oo naman. Sa kalsada,
Go
joyride lang.
somewhere else,
Gusto na lang, mas
Daddy.
malapit. So yun na yung parse.
Daddy,
5
we
bars
have
ang
to go
magmamaneo.
somewhere
Where do you want
Ay,
to
almost
go?
6 hours.
Somewhere.
Ay, hanapin pala natin yung mga lotion sa lamok.
Somewhere
Or spray.
we go.
Somewhere down the road.
Continue on Lake Road for 9 kilometers.
Tim
Oh, no.
Hortons.
Ay, naku, Tim Hortons na naman.
Ay,
Ganyan yung sasakyan ng boss ko. Hi, sa boss ko. Char. Alam mo, nanonood.